Okay, so what we got here is a Mercedes-Benz R-Class, now installed with factory style rear headrest screens. So as you can see, these are beautifully fitted. There's no wire showing as well. This run full Android on here. As you can see, you can download all your favorite apps from the Play Store. And you've got many more on here: Netflix, YouTube. So you can watch videos on here. It has speakers built in as well. These support full 4K playback on these for super HD quality. So yeah, if you want something like this installed on your vehicle, come visit our Car Sound Security in Gansel, IG2 6Q8. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel, guys.